Yes, Hamna. So I'm giving you some more questions on median today where some missing frequencies there, right? So let's take up one question. So you have your class here, which is 10 to 20. Then you have 20 to 30. Oh God, sorry. I'm sorry. Actually, my pen has stopped working in between the class. Will you be able to understand if I write something like this? 30 to 40.
Yes.
Okay. Then you have 40 to 50. 50 to 60. Okay, so let's make this 10 to 20. Just leave this one. So the corresponding frequency I'm just writing here. So this 10 to 20 is 12. Next, 20 to 30 is 30. Now 30 to 40. So this frequency is missing here. Okay. And 40 to 50 is 65. And 60, sorry, 50 to 60 is also missing here. 60 to 70 is 25. 70 to 80 is 18. Okay. Now the total is actually given in this question, which is 229. Understand? Is this clear? And also the median is given in this question. So median is equal to 46. Yeah, who is there in the class? Hamna is here, Rida is here, Sarah and Martin. Martin is not able to join. Okay, Rida, there is some issue with my writing pad today, so please bear it. So anyway, in this question, median is 46. The total of frequency is 229. So what is this total? That means summation of Fi, which we also denote by N. Clear? You have to find the missing frequencies. So there's no issue. You start with the median formula. Your N is 229. So you find N by 2. How much is N by 2? 229 divided by 2. Yes, what is the answer? Yes, is anybody there in the
114.5. 100.
Okay,
1145.
all right. See, this is F1 and F2. I'm giving it some name F1 and F2. Now, please try to understand how you do this. Now, the median is 46, right? Median is the middle value of your data. Okay, so it is very clear that 46 should fall in the interval 40 to 50, isn't it? It will fall in this interval 40 to 50. That means 40 to 50 is your median class. So you have got your median class. Please write median class is 40 to 50. Okay, so that means you know small l now. How much is a small l? Is 40, the lower limit of your median class, right? And the corresponding frequency of your median class, which is 65, as you can see, right? Okay. Now, and h, how much is h here? Class size. So 40 to 50, that means it's a gap of 10, right? Class size is 10. So this much is okay. Now, in the formula, you also have capital F. Understand? So this, for this, you need a cumulative frequency column. Is this clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So the first cumulative frequency is 12. Now next is 30 plus 12. So that is 42, right? Now the next is, so next will be 42 plus F1. Clear? So basically
Yes,
you're
ma'am.
adding 42 into F1. And the next will be, you just add 65 into it. So it will be 5 and 2, 7. And then 6 and 107 plus F1. So it will keep on going like this. Clear? Okay. So next it will be 107 plus F1 and plus F2, right? Is this understood? Now
Yes,
you
ma'am.
add 25 into it. So 5 and 7 is 12, carry 1, so 3, and so it will be 132 plus F1 plus F2. And then you add 18 into it. So it will be 8 and 2, 10. Carry 1, 4, so it will become 5. So 150 plus F1 plus F2, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Now, what is capital F? So capital F is the cumulative frequency of the class just before the median class. So that means 30 to 40. What is the cumulative frequency? It is 42 plus F1, as you can see here, right? So your capital F is 42 plus F1. Understand, everyone?
Yeah. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What else? N by 2. Okay, that you can, now you can put this in the formula. So median is already given. That means 46 is equal to L, which is 30. Please write the formula. I'm just skipping it. So 30 plus N by 2. That means 229 and divided by 2. See, this is 229 divided by 2, right? Okay. And minus F. So please use bracket because you have minus outside. So this is 42 plus F1. Is this clear?
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Now divide it by small f. Small f is how much? 65. Okay. And then everything is multiplied by 10 h. So which is 10 here. So this complete, okay? This complete is multiplied by 10. Now can you just solve it and tell me how much is F1 equal to from here?
Oh, okay, ma'am.
Now please everyone solve it and tell me the value of F1. You can tell me in fraction or in decimal, whichever way you want.
Is this question in the textbook?
Sorry, Martin?
Is this question in the textbook?
No, it's not NCRT question. But
No.
yeah, this type of question once came in CBSE exam. So that is why I'm taking one question of this type. Yeah, in CBSE 2022, this kind of question came where two frequencies were missing. Okay. 2020. Yeah, everybody please solve it and tell me how much is F1 from here. Yes, Hamna, how much is F1?
No, I'm not able to do it.
Yes, anybody else? See, it's not that tough, I think. See, the first thing is, I'm telling you the steps. First, you bring this 30 on the left-hand side, right? So 46 minus 30 is equal to. Now 10 and 65, so you can cancel with the table of 5. Okay, so you will get 5 into 1, 13 in the denominator. Okay.
Yeah.
And then 2 that side. Okay. Then this 13 you can cross multiply. So 46 minus 30, you will get 16, and then you can write 16 into that 13, which is in the denominator. Isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, everybody listening? So on the left,
Yeah.
so on the left hand side, now you have 16
I was
into
at 135.
135. No. Okay. Okay. Now let me try my writing pad. Actually, sorry. I was just taking class. I don't know what happened to this. It's not. So anyway, 46 minus 30 is 16, right? And here now you have this 229 divided by 2 and minus. So I'm opening bracket, right? Minus 42 and then minus F1. Clear? Okay. Now, if you cut from 5, so you get 13 here and then you get 2 here. Is this clear?
Yeah.
Okay, now this 13 you can bring this side. So 16 into 13, right? Now you take, wow, sorry. And this 2 also, if you wish, you can bring this in the denominator, right here. So this side, you just have this 229 by 2 minus 42 minus F1. Is this clear?
Yeah.
Okay, then you take LCM. So 2 is the LCM. And then please try to solve it. Yeah, it's not working. So now you have 16 into 13 and then divided by 2 is equal to, right? So this side, I am also taking LCM, which is 2. So I get 229 and minus, so this 42 will be multiplied by 2. So 2 into 2, 4, 2 into 4, 8. So 84 minus 2F1. Is this clear, everyone?
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay. Now this 2 you can cancel. Both are in denominator. So this is 16 into 13 is equal to, how much is 229 minus 84? Tell me quickly. So 9 minus 4 is 5. Okay, then you have 12 minus 8 is 4, which is 1. And then you have 1. So 145 and
Yeah.
minus
Yes, ma'am.
2F1. Okay, minus 2F1, right? So you can just do one thing. Take this 2F1 on the left hand side. No. Okay, first you do 16 into 13. How much is 16 into 13? Please multiply and tell me.
Two zero eight.
Okay, so 208 is equal to 145 minus 2F1. Now please solve it for F1. It's not tough now. No, it should not be 208. F1 is not negative here.
No, it's 208 only.
Mm-hmm. Oh God, one mistake I have done here. See, you people also didn't notice. L was 40, right? And I wrote 30 here, isn't it?
Yeah.
This was 40. So when you do 46 minus 40, so in place of this 16, you will get only 6. So please make it correct. So this was only 6. Clear? So this is not 16, it's just 6. So 6 into 13 you have to do. That is why you are getting negative. Okay, how much is 6 into 13? So 6 into 3, 18, 8, carry 1. So 78 I'm getting, right?
78.
Okay, so 78 is equal to 145 minus 2f1. Now please solve it. You bring f1 on one side and other values other side. Now tell me how much is f1.
How did 16 turn to 6?
Sorry, Martin, actually your lower limit, the small l was 40 and I wrote 30 in the,
Okay.
yeah, that way, right? See here, this was the problem. So make it 40. So when you bring it left side, so 46 minus 40 is only 6. Okay.
And what's the lower limit?
Lower limit is the lower limit of your model class.
No, ma'am, what's like the value of the lower limit?
40, 40. Sorry, see the median is 46. It's given in the question that median is 46, right? So median is the middle value of your data that you know. So
Yes,
that
ma'am.
means it should fall in this interval 40 to 50. It is greater than 40 and it is less than 50. So it will fall in the interval 40 to 50. That means 40 to 50 is your median class. So lower limit is 40. Class size is 10. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, how much is F1 from here? Come on. Yes, Sarah. So 2F1 will be 145 minus 78. How much is 145 minus 78? Tell me.
67.
Okay, very good. So it is 67, right? So F1 is 67 divided by 2. Fine?
Yeah, ma'am. When I
Okay.
was 67 by 2.
Yeah, so 67 by 2, which you can convert in decimal. How much is it?
33.5.
33 points.
33.5. So you have got your value of F1, 33.5. Okay. So one frequency you have got simply by putting everything in the formula. Now you need F2 also. So how will you find? So here you can do one thing. We know that when you do cumulative frequency, right? So this last addition, it should be equal to n. Clear? This is actually your n, isn't it?
Yes,
This we
ma'am.
know. Now this n is already given in the question that the total of frequency is 229. So you have got it. So 150 plus F1 plus F2 is equal to 229. Right?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So F1 you have already found. Put the value of F1 and quickly find F2. Tell me how much is F2.
Can you excuse me for a minute?
Sure. Okay, you do one thing, just 1 minute. See, this is F1 is 33.5, right? Frequency is what? Frequency is actually the number of times something is happening, right? So either it will be 33 or either it will be 34, isn't it? That something is occurring 34 times or something is occurring 33 times. So there is no meaning of 33.5. So you can round it off to 34. So F1 is actually 34, not 33.5. So you can write this is approximately 34. So take it 34.
Why, ma'am?
Yeah, why? Because see, it is frequency, right? Frequency means number of times. So for example,
Just rounding it off.
approximately, I mean, we are assuming, you can write here, say. So in calculation, you are getting 33.5, but it cannot be 33.5. Why? As I told you, it's a frequency. Frequency means the number of times something is happening, right? So a particular number, either you are getting it 33 times or you should get it 34 times. There is no meaning of 33.5. Isn't it, Martin?
Yeah, ma'am.
See, for example, you are having some apples in a basket and you are picking it up. Uh, I mean, you can pick 3 apples or you can pick 4 apples. You cannot pick 3.5 apple, right, Martin?
Yes, ma'am.
So understand it that way. So take your F1 to be 34. Yes, how much is F2?
195.
No, Martin, F2 should be 45.
You know what?
See, 229 is equal to 150 plus F1 plus F2. Is that clear?
Yeah.
Yeah, so find F2. Now all of you see the next question. It's the same kind of question which is also given in NCERT. So this can come in exam. Now everyone who has finished it will solve question number 2. Same way. See, one more thing you can do here. Yes, Martin, have you got F2 now? Yeah, is everyone getting F2 45?
1 minute. Yes, ma'am.
How much is F2? F2 should be 45, right?
Yeah.
See, Martin, have you done, Martin?
Doing, ma'am.
Okay, now one more thing I want to tell you. See, you can also do one more thing here, because the total of frequency is given to you, which is 229, right? So if you don't want to
Yeah.
find cumulative frequency, you can just add all the frequency. So that means if you sum all the frequency, so that means 12 plus, then next your 30.
So what's the final answer? 116, right?
F2 is 45, Martin. Okay, just 1 minute, I'll solve. Okay. See, plus F1 and then plus the next one 65 and then plus F2. Is this clear, everyone? Plus F2.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. And plus 25. So plus 25 and then plus the next one 18. So that means if you add all your frequency, it should be equal to 229, isn't it? Because the total of frequency is given in the question, 229.
Yes, ma'am.
So from here also you can get your F1 plus F2. So if you add all the number and take them on the right hand side, so you will get your F1 plus F2 will be equal to 79, right? After solving it. So in this equation also, you can put the value of F1, which you have already found, and then you will get F. Understand? So F1 was 34. So how much will be F2 here? 78 minus 34. So that means
Yeah.
that means 45. This is okay, Martin?
Oh, okay.
Yeah, from here also. So you better do it this way, right? See, try to understand. In the formula, we have this capital F. Clear?
Yeah.
Capital F is the cumulative frequency of the class preceding the median class. So that means these values are not necessary to find in the question. So that means you can skip this. You can simply do the total of all these values and then
It's
equal to
44 right now.
45, Martin, 45. See,
Oh, okay.
78 minus 34. What will it be equal to?
It's 44.
Mm, sorry, you will get 79 here. I wrote wrong. So 79 minus 34 will be 45. You can check, you will get 79. Okay. Sorry, my mistake. Is this clear now, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
So cumulative frequency, you can skip here. You are interested only in one value, which is preceding the median class. That's it. And here, then you can add all your frequency and equate to 229. Now, same way you will do this question now. Question number 2. So everyone will do it. See here, 5 plus x plus 20 plus 15 plus y plus 5 is equal to 60, already given in the question. So you will get one equation, x plus y equal to something. Now please tell me that. How much is x plus y from here? Yes, Sarah. Fine.
Yes, ma'am.
You add all of them. 5 plus x plus 20 plus 15 plus y plus 5 equal to 60. Then please solve. How much is x plus y? I think it should be 15, as I can see from here. Is everyone getting it? See here, 20, right? And then 5 plus 5, 10. So 30 and plus 15, 45. So 45 plus x plus y should be equal to 60. Then you take 40
Yeah.
that side. So x plus y should be 15. Is this clear, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Now see, the median is 28.5. So 28.5 will fall in which interval? Tell me. Yes, come on. 28.5 will fall in which class here?
20 to 30.
20 to 30, obviously. Yeah. So 20 to 30 is your median class. So how much is small l? Yeah, what is the lower limit of this median class? Martin.
I'm 20.
20. Okay. How much is small f?
X plus 5.
No, no, no. Small f is the frequency of the middle class, which is also 20.
Okay, 20.
Yeah, okay. How much is h?
H is 10.
10. Okay, good. Right.
Yeah.
Now tell me capital F. So for capital
And
F,
X plus 5.
okay, so you do at least up till here. So the first cumulative frequency is 5, right? Okay, so for this, it will be 5 plus x. Clear? Yeah, 5 plus x. Is this clear, everyone?
Yeah, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So capital F is the frequency, cumulative frequency of the class preceding the median class. So that means 10 to 20. So capital F is 5 plus x or x plus 5. Okay. How much is n? Capital N?
60.
60. Okay, that is sum. Now put everything in the formula. Find the value of x quickly.
Ma'am, median was 28.5, right?
Yes, 28.5. It was given in the question.
Uh, how do we
Hmm.
get y?
So what is your x? Tell me.
8.
8. Now put this in equation. X plus y is equal to 15. You will get y.
Which one?
Yeah, this one, x plus y is equal to 15, right?
Yeah.
So put it here, x, and get y.
Seven.
Yeah, y is 7. Martin, have you got it? Subhana, Rida, who is there in the class? Yeah. Hamna, nobody is responding. Yes, Martin, got it?
Yeah, I'm almost.
Okay, so x is 8, y is 7. Now, next question of NCRT. Question number 3, if you can see in your book. See, here the classes are not given. You have to form the classes first of all in this question. So let me just tell you how to do it. Yeah, now see
And the
here.
classes are given down.
Yeah, I mean, it's given like this, below 20, below 25. So the interval is not given, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So how will you write it? Now see here. So first of all, a life insurance agent found the following data for distribution of ages of 100 policy holder. So total policy holder are 100. So that means the frequency is already given, the sum of frequency. Clear? Capital N. Understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, so capital N is 100 already given. Calculate the median age if policies are given only to person having age 18 years onwards, but less than 60 year. So your classes will start from 18, right? So when you make your first column of classes, or you can write age here, age you can like give heading. So the first will be 18 and 220, right? Understand? Now you write its corresponding frequency, that how many holders are getting it. Okay, so 18 to 20. So what is given? Number of policy holders are 2. So 2 people are in this age, right? Next interval will be 20 to 25. Clear? Please see carefully,
Yes, ma'am.
because it is given below 25. Now see here carefully. Below 25 are 6 people. So it can be in the age group of 18 to 20 also. So this age group we have already separated. So the remaining people are 6 minus 2. Is this understood?
Yeah.
Yeah, because 2 have already gone there.
So we are taking the class interval on the frequency.
And the corresponding frequency is 4 now. It's not 6. Understand?
Yeah.
Now next is you make 25 to 30. Okay, so how many people will be in this group now? See, below 30 you have 24. Understand?
Yeah, ma'am.
So like below 30 you have 24. So you do 24 minus 6. That means below 25 you are subtracting. So only after 25 and up to 30 you are keeping. Understand? So it will be 24 minus 6. Is this understood, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
See, 6 people are below 25, right? And your class interval is starting from 25. So that means you have to subtract those 6 people. So only after 25 age you are looking at. So that means 24 minus 6, right? So the next frequency will be 45 minus 24. The next will be 78 minus 45, and like that. So your last interval will be 55 to 60. Now please complete your table. Right? So the interval, now the frequency will be 100 minus 98. So the frequency will be 2 now. Okay, completed. Then I'll ask the frequencies. Okay, so the next interval is what? 30 to 40, right? Sorry, 30 to 35. Then you have 35 to 40, like that.
Yes.
Okay. Then 40 to 45. So what are the frequencies? So first one is 2, then you have 4, then
18,
18, then
21,
21. Okay, then
33.
33. Okay, then
1 minute. 11,
11. Okay, after that
3,
3. Okay, then
6.
6, and then 2.
Yeah.
Fine, Martin.
Yes, ma'am.
2, 4, 18, 21, 33, 11, 3, 6, 2. Okay. Okay, now how to identify the median class? So you find n by 2. So n is 100, n by 2 is 50. Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So which frequency is just less than 50? Sorry, greater than 50. Oh, sorry. You have to find cumulative frequency also. In cumulative frequency, we see that, right? Not in frequency. Yeah, please make a column of cumulative frequency and then tell me what you are getting.
Can you just tell the second one?
Second one means what? Cumulative frequency. Okay, so the
Yeah.
first will be 2, right?
Yeah.
Next will be 4 plus 2, 6.
Okay.
Then 6 plus 18, like that. Just keep on adding the next one. Yes, Martin. Doing it?
Yeah, ma'am.
Oh my God.
Okay. So, Martin, have you got cumulative frequencies? Okay, let's check. First is 2, then 6. Yeah, Sarah. Then?
Yeah. 24,
Then?
45,
Okay.
78,
Hmm.
89, 92, 98, 100.
Yeah, Martin. Getting it?
Yes, ma'am.
So, I'm again repeating. So, 2, 6, 24, 45, 78, 89, 92, 98, 100. Right? You can write it down if you have not completed. So I'm saying again 2, 6, 24, 45, 78, 89, 92, 98, 100. Fine, Martin? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now your capital N is 100. So N by 2 will be 50. Right? Okay. So you have to see the frequency, the cumulative frequency, which is just greater than 50. So which one is that? See, you have 45, which is less than 50. The next is 78, which is greater than 50, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So you will take that 78 and the corresponding class. So 35 to 40 is your median class. Understand? This is your median class. So this way we identify it. So in cumulative frequency, you have to see which value will come next, like which value should be greater than your n by 2. So the next one is 78. So 35 to 40 is your median class. So from here you can write three things. A small l, which is 35, right? And the class size is 5, as you can see. And the corresponding frequency of this class, which is 33.
For
See, 35 to 40, right? So small l
yeah.
is 35, right? Okay. The lower
Yeah.
limit of this class. Okay. Now small f, the corresponding frequency, it is 33.
Yeah.
Okay. Now the class size h, small h, it is 5. You can see 45 minus 35. Okay. Right. Now you come to capital F. So capital F, just look at the previous class 30 to 35. What is the cumulative frequency? 45. So capital F is 45. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Now put everything in the formula and find the median.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, Martin, are you able to catch up?
Yeah, ma'am. I'm doing the
Okay. Okay. See, nobody else is speaking in the class, so I don't even know you people are here or not. Yes, Martin, done. Okay, just one next question. I want to give some hints and then you will solve it yourself. Just see here, question number 4. So this type of question I already gave in the exam test also, but you did wrong. Okay, Sarah, see here. Now look here, please, everyone. Question number 4. Okay, see in the here, what is the problem? The class interval is 108 to 126. And then next is 127 to 135. So there's a gap of 1, you can see here, right? If you compare with the previous question, so the class interval is like 0 to 5, then 5 to 10. So 5 is actually repeating. Understand? Here you have 126 and then you have 127. So this is not a continuous data.
I'm gonna ask the final answer for the third question.
Final answer, it should be in NCERT. Anyway, it is 35.76 years. So if you have not obtained it, please stop it. You can complete the calculation later. Answers are given in NCERT that you can match. Okay. Now pay attention here on this question. Yes, Martin.
Yeah, ma'am. This
See
question.
here. Yeah, see 118 to 126 and then 127 to 135. So there's a gap of 1. So first step is you will make this data continuous. So we did this in class 9th. What we do is from the lower limit, we subtract 0.5. Please write down. Subtract 0.5 from lower limit. Write down. Subtract 0.5, that means half, from lower limit and add 0.5 to upper limit. Right?
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so the next column you will make here class interval. So 118 minus 0.5. So it will become 117.5. Understand?
Yes, ma'am.
117.5, right? 2. Then it will become 126.5.
Ma'am,
Yes.
I have another kind of class right now.
Yeah, I'm just ending. And similarly, in the next class, when you subtract 0.5, it will become 126.5, isn't it?
Yeah, ma'am.
So you can see now you have 126.5 and then again 126.5. So now this data is continuous. So this way you will make one extra column. First of all, you will make this data continuous and then same method you can follow. Cumulative frequency and everything. Okay. Please try to complete this exercise. And if you have any question,
Okay, ma'am.
ask me in the next class and then I'll start revision after this.